We get some new rumors of the launch dates and color variants of the Galaxy S10, along with some ceramic information. It looks like Samsung is still debating over the name for its foldable smartphone or tablet, and Xiaomi just broke a world record for opening an insane amount of stores at the same time in India. I'm Jaime Rivera, and the only world record that I'll probably be breaking is, I don't know, just jet lag over the last year. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by Ting. The official news today begin with deals. If you're in the market for the LG G7, which is one of the phones that I recommend for this year, it's currently $220 off at B&H, meaning like $530. And yeah, I would definitely consider this deal, as you're getting pretty much all the bells and whistles of a flagship with dual cameras everywhere and for a great price. Now let's talk about Xiaomi, as the company has just surprised everyone by launching 500 stores in India at the same time. They won a world record. I don't know how many executives they had, the distributors, to open these stores, but this is awesome. The company is planning to open 5,000 stores in the country, 15,000 jobs, which I love the part of jobs, definitely. So yeah, it seems to be going great for Xiaomi in India. Now let's move the spotlight over to T-Mobile, as the company is famous for its 600 MHz spectrum in the United States, and they have just proven that 5G works over it. You know that there are two technologies to 5G, which is a sub-6 and the millimeter wave, and they've proven that 5G technology works over their spectrum. They did the test in Virginia. They just teased more about their T-Mobile Sprint merger. When are we getting 5G in our devices? Well, it depends on your devices and when the spectrum gets deployed fully, so stay tuned. We'll keep you posted on that. Now let's move the spotlight over to Samsung, as the company's executives are currently apparently debating over the final name of the Samsung foldable smartphone. Currently, it seems that codename Galaxy F. And so one of the possible names is Galaxy Flex, the other one is Samsung Flex. Let me know in the comments which name would you recommend that Sammy adopt, as I think Galaxy Flex sounds nice. I don't know, man. LG G Flex, anybody remember that? And finally, the hot news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S10 and an interesting twist of rumors over how to expect this product launch, as apparently it's going to happen separately. It seems that at CES we're going to see some variants of the Galaxy S10 with 4 color options, being white, black, I believe it was green and yellow, weird colors. It seems that some of these will be variants of gradients, which is fine, but then it seems that there's going to be another launch at MWC, and this launch at MWC we're going to see the full-blown, I would call this Galaxy S10 Ultra, let's just give it that name for now, where this one is going to sport 5G technology. It's going to bring a ceramic back in addition to all the crazy cameras that we've been talking about. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? I mean, do you think that it's smart for Sammy to do a split launch between CES and MWC? I mean, we've seen Apple do it with the iPhone 10, before 8, and then 10s, and now the 10R. I think it's a smart idea because it would help them gouge the market, but that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know yours. And before we end this video, we would love to tell you about our sponsor, Ting. Ting does mobile phone service differently. There's no startup fees, no contracts, no plans. Best of all, you only pay what you use. There's a full nationwide LTE coverage, and it works with old phones as much as it does with new ones. Use code pocketnow.ting.com to try it out for free, whether that's $25 off your bill or a new phone. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. Follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.